Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is when new task added in Todoist, create project in Hubstaff. Now suppose guys you are using Todoist to manage all the tasks personally and professionally. And you want that whenever you create a new task in Todoist, you want to create a project in Hubstaff with very same details. So your team members can also work on that. Now the manual process of doing this is very much repetitive and time consuming. So in this video, I came up with an automation by which whenever you will create a new task in your Todoist account, automatically with very same details, a project will be created in Hubstaff as well. And that project will be accessible by all your team members. Interesting, right? Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now, what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as Todoist to Hubstaff and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new task which we are creating in Todoist inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that very same data to Hubstaff so that we can create a new project over there with very same details. So here in trigger window in choose app, we have to search for Todoist. Todoist it is. After that, we have to select a trigger event. So in trigger event, we will select new task. After selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to connect our Todoist account with Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do this, you can refer to the help text given below over here. So here in help text says log into your Todoist account, click on create a new app button at app management console. So you just have to open this hyperlink in a new tab and here you will reach on the developers page of Todoist. And after here in manage app section, you just have to click on create a new app. After that, give this app a name. For example, I'll name this app as Pabbly. So it is a very simple process guys, don't worry, it is not at all a complicated one. Just click on create app. After that, it is asking us some details, so we'll ignore that. We'll scroll down and click on this create test token. So we have the access token over here. And after that, we'll come to this webhook section and we have to paste the very same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us over here in this field. So just copy the webhook URL from here, go back to Todoist, this app manage app page and paste it over here. After that, it is asking us for the watched event. So here we have to select item added. So if you have any doubt or confusion regarding making this connection, you can refer to the help text given below over here. So here in help text, it is written we have to select the event items : added. So we have selected that very same event and just click on activate webhook. And yes guys, save webhook configuration and that's it. We have successfully connected our to-do list app with Pabbly Connect. Now after that, in Pabbly Connect, we can see that it is showing us waiting for webhook response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get that response or the data of new task from Todoist account inside Pabbly Connect. So we will go to the dashboard of our Todoist account and here we will create a new task. So I'll just click on add task and we will create a new task. Let me name this task as, for example, check integration. And I'll give the description of this task as please check the integration of Todoist with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is basically the description of a new task. I'll click on add task and we can see that a new task is added in my Todoist account. And because we have connected our Todoist account with Pabbly Connect, we will see the response or the data of this very same task which we have generated or created just now in our Todoist account will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, here we can see that in our trigger window and we have received a response over here. And this is the response of the very same task which we have just now created. So we have the same name of the task, check integration. We have the very same description of the task as well. Please check the integration of Todoist with Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we can see that we have the date and time, that at what date and time we have created this task. Then we have the due date which we have added and other details of the task as well. So guys, basically the step 1 of setting up this automation is very successfully completed now. We have connected our Todoist account with Pabbly Connect, and after making the connection using a webhook URL, we have created a Todoist task in our account, and we saw that the response or the data of that very same new task is captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we have to assign this very same data to Hubstaff so we can create a project over there. For that, we'll scroll down and come to this action window. And here in Choose App, we'll search for Hubstaff. Hubstaff it is. And here in Action Event, we have to select Create Project because we want to create a project over there. Just click on Connect, select Add New Connection, and click on it Connect with Hubstaff. So basically, it will ask us for the authorization. So guys, I have already logged into my Hubstaff account in my browser. So Pabbly Connect detected that very same account and asking the permission for the authorization. Just click on Authorize, and we will see that our Hubstaff account will be successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the organization. So I have only one organization which is named as PabCon. So I'll select it. Then it is asking us for the name and the description of the new project. So the name of the project will be the summary of the task which we have created in our Todoist account. So this is the summary of the task. So I want check integration to be named as the name of the project. So basically the response which we have received of event data content, the data content of our task in Todoist which we have received in Pabbly Connect in our trigger window, we have to map this very same name, very same data, very same response over here. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field of name and in the drop down below, we can see all the responses which we have received from Todoist. And out of all those responses, select the summary or the title of the task response for the title of the task, check integration. Then in description, we will follow the same process of mapping, and this time we will add the description of that very same task. So we have given the name of the project as well as the description. Then it is asking us client ID, that for which client we want to create this task. So I have a client name as, for example, integration test. I want to create a project for this client. So I have selected this client. Then after that, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a new task with these very same details which we have mapped, basically the task which we have created in our Todoist account, a new project with very same details is now created in our Hubstaff account. So let's just check our Hubstaff account. So we'll go to the dashboard of our Hubstaff account. After that, we'll go to project management and select projects. And yes guys, we can see that a new project is created over here which is named as check integration. We will click on it and we will see that we have a description which says please check the integration of Todoist with Pabbly Connect as a new project. So this is the very same name and very same description which we have added as a new task in our Todoist account. Which means guys, the automation, the integration which we have created using Pabbly Connect in this video between Todoist and Hubstaff is now successfully working. Now let's test this again. We will create another task in our Todoist account and check whether a new task or a new project basically is created in our Hubstaff account or not. So let's create a task over here. So let me give this task a name. For example, this is a real-time test. And we will give the description as we are testing this automation in real time. Let's click on Add Task. So just now we have added a new task in our Todoist account, and we will see that automatically within few minutes a new project with very same details will be created inside our Hubstaff account. So let's just refresh the project page of our Hubstaff account. And yes guys, we can see that there is a new project created in our Hubstaff account with very same details. The name of the project is This is a real-time test. And when we will open this project, we will see that we have the very same description which says we are testing this automation in real time. So guys, we saw that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. So let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect in which we have selected Todoist as a trigger application and new task was our trigger event. Then using a webhook URL, we have connected our Todoist account with Pabbly Connect. After that, we have created a new task in our Todoist account and received the response of that new task creation inside Pabbly Connect. Then we have sent that very same response, very same data to Hubstaff so that we can create a new project on the Todoist task detail base inside Hubstaff. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.